Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. And this episode is gonna be very special because it's my birthday. The plan is to punch north, get to Nusa, and then from Nusa we're gonna go to Double Island Point. We already been there, but this time will be different. As you guys can see from the latest video, I destroyed, kaput, my drone. Destroyed. I was using it, so for this episode I decided to go and buy the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. I decided to buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro because, so with the previous drone, the DJI Mini 2, I wasn't able to do the active tracks. The active tracks basically you select an object, it might be a car, it might be a person, and the drone basically follows the object. And the DJI Mini 3 doesn't have this feature, so I decided the DJI Mini 3 Pro for this. One of these reasons is this one. And also the DJI Mini 3 Pro has the sensors on the front, two at the back, and two underneath, so there is less chance of crashing it. And also the gimbal, it can change from horizontal, it can go vertical as well, which is good for reels and videos that you want to use in the phone. And also I decided to get the drone with the DJI remote control. With this one you don't have to use the phone, so you use less battery, and the screen here is brighter than the phone. So let's get into it and see you out there. Yeah. Look how many soldier crabs. Alright guys, we're getting to Double Island Point and we're gonna have to catch the ferry. It's not like a ferry, but it's a small barge that takes you to the other side of the river. That's the barge. So it takes you from in the other side. From there we can access the beach. You just have to get here and it runs all day long. The ferry, by the way, is $10 and it's only cash. We arrived on the beach access and now we're gonna have to load down the tires to 18, I guess. The car is pretty full, so it should be alright. We arrived to the campground and we set up everything. We're gonna have dinner and then we get to the swag. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. We are in freshwater campground at the moment. We're here because we are going to Double Island Point. Double Island Point is a sick place. Last time we went with the Suzuki. I will put a link down below for the video with the Suzuki. And another addition to the setup is this one, the back awning. When I cook on the beach and there is the sun, I can cover from the sun and also from the rain. Like last night, we had a little bit of rain and everything is wet. Thank you. just doing breakfast right now. Oppa! So here we are, guys, in this piece of paradise. Down there is Rainbow Beach. You need to go all the way there and then in the city. That one is the point where I'm hoping to find waves. Here is just a blue lagoon where you can just chill. Sick. This place is sick. Basically, the tide is dropping a lot. The tide is gonna be at 4. We will be able to go that way, there, and then end up at the point. Perfect. Perfect. So guys, we are here. Will be the first flight with a DJI Mini Pro. Let's go. The drone is up in the air. I'm flying it. One. Yeah, it's beauty. Can't get any better. A little bit of oil for the eggs. That's it, boy. That's it. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. How good is that? Tell you guys, since I bought this car, I start enjoying Australia much more. So if you are thinking to buy a 4x4, please do yourself a favor, buy one, because you can get to these places, which, you know, you guys can see is sick. Look, guys, it's full of soldier scraps. Guys, we got to the point and so there are small waves up there. Waves, but pretty small out here. Pretty sure if you had a longboard you would have fun, but I need to buy one longboard, eh? What do you think about this place? Will you camp here? Write it down in the comments, let me know if you would camp here. We are going to Rainbow Beach to get some supplies. Supplies meaning ice. So this is the road that from the main road gets to the camping, freshwater camping ground. So we are doing backwards to get to Rainbow Beach. And this is 30 kilometers of only off-road vehicle. Alright guys, always remember to pump up the tires before hitting the road. It's very dangerous and you don't want to break your tire, you don't want to break your rim. That costs money. Steve is doing it for me. Alright guys, we bought what we need to buy and now we're gonna head back to the campground, and it's gonna be all in the dark. All in the dark. Yeah boy. The water is crazy. That's about to be ready, guys. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.